Now here's a car I can say I've never seen before this one came in here at Unique, especially in Classics. Very interesting car, 1964 Chrysler 300K convertible. It's powered by a 413. Casting number on it's 2468030RL. It's a 360 horse, 4-barrel Carter engine. It now has an Edelbrock on it. The original 4-barrel is in the trunk and we'll go with it. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front headlight surrounds, grille, bumper. Bright work, shows nice in this car. It has had one repaint. Goes back a little while. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Something else I want to mention too is this will come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. Check out all the pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Riding on radial tires and kind of a basket style spoked wheel cover. It does have 14-inch steel wheels and original wheel covers with it. There's the Carter carb I mentioned. Appears to be the air cleaner also. And there's some other miscellaneous wheel parts. So I'll let you know about that too. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. It was originally a New Mexico car. And like I said, you can see nice reflection in the paint. Get around to the trunk and I want to show you. There's some spots where you see, again, some imperfections in the paint. But is this one of those cars you can get in, drive it, have some fun, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows? You're not going to come across a lot of these at any of your local events, no doubt about that, unless you're something Mopar Chrysler specific. It does have a black vinyl top, newer black vinyl top. We're going to put that up at the end. It is power, functions as it should, according to the previous owner. Information that was passed down through owners, believed to be original miles. We're going to get around the driver's side, check out that interior a little closer. I'm going to start it up, we'll look at the engine bay, let you hear it run. First, I want to let you know we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. So we take a look at the chrome in the rear of the car. We do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this yourself. Feel free, have somebody check it out for you. As we take a look down the driver's side, you can see it has the parade boot or the convertible top cover. And I've had that on and off. Judging by the fabric on the other side, I wouldn't be surprised if that was original. Again, you can see the reflection in the paint. I mean, the paint does have a nice shine to it, but there are some little spots, kind of like I mentioned, kind of in the paint. Maybe a touch up here or there. Some little things. Nothing that's going to stop this from turning heads. Fender mounted, rear view mirrors, both sides. Let's take a look at this interior. See, the rear appears to be original. Kind of just tell by some of the natural wearing, but it's not full of rips, tears, holes. And for the Chrysler experts out there, would it have come this way? Headrest, no headrest. If you know about these cars, you're a Chrysler fanatic, put it down in the comments. Let us know. That's a new one to me. Door handles were door handles. Take a look at the door panels. Be able to see the pictures underneath of the doors too. Solid. Take a look in the still pictures. Power seat car. I also have pictures of the floor mats, with the floor mats out so you can see the carpeting. Take a look at this driver's seat. A little bit of wear on the back piping, but Again, not bad. It shows 68,881 for miles. Like I said, information passed between owners believed to be original miles. I cannot confirm or deny that because once the car is so old, it does not stay with the title. It's marked exempt. Let's go ahead and fire that 413 up. A technician that looked at this car did mention the AC, the compressor kicked on and off, did blow real cold, so may need a charge there. And we're going to look at that underneath the hood here in a second too. Radio, working order. Check this out. I like this. In the center console, a performance indicator. I think that is, are you going to get good gas mileage or not, maybe? Kind of cool. Take a look at the dash. I like this too. If you want to switch to defrost, these push back and lay back, shoot at the windshield. Take a look at the dash. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temperature to be up. Cruise and fuel gauge working, alternator, with the exception of the clock. You can see down through here, power top. I did have the wipers working, by the way, while I'm thinking about it. Power top, brake release, remote mirror switch. Very interesting car. Sounds good too. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's check out this engine bay, and then we'll take a look at the convertible top. Maybe we'll get this hood open myself. There we go. All right. Now, compressor is engaged. Let's go ahead and switch off that AC switch and see if that disengages real quick for you. Let me turn that off. And AC did disengage. It also appears like it has the larger fittings possibly. Let's take a look. So it looks like it has been converted. I believe those are newer fittings, if I remember correctly. Again, power steering, power brakes, 413. Does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it now. There will be pictures of that Carter carb and the casting and everything on that. In with the still pictures, you'll be able to see the casting off the engine in the still pictures. Some of the service work real quick too before we put that top up. Some things have been done service-wise more recently on this, and wanted to hit on that real quick. Newer radiator, starter, water pump, and fuel pump. So you're also aware of that. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Let's go ahead and put this black vinyl power top up. Check that out. We'll wrap up this video. And here it is with the top up. Take a look at. Kind of interesting on the top too. Has the kind of polished piece in the front of the convertible top where it meets above the windshield. Looks like a nice fit. It says black vinyl. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in it. You can see I rolled up the side windows so you can see how those fit. Plastic rear window that is clear, and look at how large that is compared to a lot of them that you see where it's a lot smaller. See through it just fine. Very interesting car. And the passenger side. Also free of rips, tears, and holes. Looks like it's a newer top. And how does the passenger side fit? Looks good on the side glass and the passenger side too. Very cool. 1964 Chrysler 300 convertible Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, top up, top down. Over 120 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chrysler 300K. This is a convertible and we do have the top down. Beautiful black car with a black interior. Our turn signal indicators both work. Speedometer working well. Temperature about 1/3 of the gauge. Fuel gauge about 3/4. The alternator is charging over half the gauge. Very nice running vehicle. Started right up, idled right away. Smooth runner. This is an automatic on the center console. Push button for the HVAC. Our wipers are working. The blower motor does work. Unique style vents, adjustable at the defrost or towards you as the driver or passenger. If I let go of the steering wheel in this car, she stays nice and straight right where I put it. Factory radio working well. Brakes are working well. Corner is good. Corners as you would expect. Kickdown working very well. We actually broke the tires loose by holding the throttle down from a rolling start. Very nice car. Take a look at all the pictures and read about all the details at UniqueClassicCars.com.